Sorry, guys. Hello. Welcome, friends, at BlackStone team. Today, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, about crypto market capitalization and cryptocurrencies. You can ask anything you want to know about the cryptocurrencies. If you have some questions about altcoins, about some projects, just type your question in a chat inside this live stream. And we will try to answer your questions. Phoenix just connected to us. Phoenix, say hi to people. Hi, how are you? He is connecting. Okay. So today we're going to discuss about Fetch ICO and Fetch token, which will be listed tomorrow on Binance, and trading will be available at BTC, USD, and BNB markets. So this is really interesting moment, and I think everybody tomorrow will move their funds to trade FAT. So stay close to the FAT BTC chart. I mean, really FAT BTC, not FAT USD, not FAT BNB, only FAT BTC chart will be really helpful for traders to know what is going on with the market, and better to focus on 5-minute or 10-minute chart. So let it start from the listing, let it go a few hours, and then after a few hours you can start analyze what is going on FAT. So today we're going to talk about FAT in meanings of fundamentals. So basic things you maybe already know. So this is what we're going to talk about FAT. Okay. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin as well. We're going to talk about Ripple and other altcoins. So let's start from Bitcoin. Phoenix, hi, you connected. I think we should hear you already. Say hi to people.
Hi, bro. How are you? How are you all? Did you hear me? Do you hear me? Hello.
Hello. Sorry, my voice.
Okay, excuse me. I was letting. I don't so you have live today.
No problem. Okay, so should we start? If everybody is ready, we're gonna start talk about Bitcoin. You may see the 1 hour chart right now on BTC. And previous live stream, I show with you guys that 4,200, 4,100 area is good to fix your profits, and that's what I told you last week. So I hope you fixed some profits before this crazy move. So what is going on with BTC right now? Well, nothing is confirmed right now, but we can see that the price is trying to break the uptrend. So we have an uptrend which is formed from February, from the 8th of February, and this uptrend probably going to be broken in the next few hours. So on hourly chart, it is bearish. It is a local bearish trend. So it's not. This is not. Not a big trend. It's just a locally trend. And what it can brings? It can brings us trading opportunity to trade it and to take trade inside the 3,700 area, or maybe something lower. What I am expecting right now from BTC is just a sideways in this particular range between 3,600 in 3,800. This is what I'm expecting. Of course, we have some probabilities, I mean low probabilities, to for this trend holding well, and the price just can make small move to the upside. It is possible, but really small probability here, because of the structure here is not telling us that it is possible. You know, we have small triangle here, which is actually you know, short-term bearish. It can make a move to the downside to 3,725, and after that, quick rebound. Yeah, this is possible. This is really interesting and real good opportunity. But as I know, as I speculating for BTC, and I trading BTC, and I see the most of the time strong moves like this move, or like previous move to the upside, they just not starting from this type of setups. So it is not similar to this flag, it is not similar to this move, so it is different, and it can be you can see it is rising support, which is can be bear flag as well. So, or ascending triangle in downtrend, which is continuation pattern to the downside. So yeah, so this is basics for BTC right now, and this is what I'm expecting from BTC right now. Okay. Okay, Phoenix, do you have some idea about BTC? What we can expect? What is your expectations for BTC right now? I think this is important to.
Okay, I am waiting it going down more because many alts now reached resistance too. So better I closed most of my trades now and waiting Bitcoin more move down. Maybe to, as you said, to 3,060 or 600 or 500 before
Mhm.
open new trades. So I am waiting it going down.
Okay, so
But
your area
may
is
make
3,600.
part pattern and go to 3,900, but hard for me, I think.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, people. Why while you're still watching us, hit thumbs up below the video, and put some
Of
questions
course,
in our
bro,
chat.
we need wait it break support or resistance to decide more confirmation about next move.
Yes.
My stop loss it was 3,700 on BitMEX. This
Mm-hmm.
price after that,
So
may I go to
three seven
USDT
hundred is
and
your
see
stop loss.
what will be revised on.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Um. Yeah, the people asking about the stop loss. This is really interesting, because you know what I'm thinking about BTC right now. Uh, if you're like 100% in a BTC, then you should not risk too much, because um, selling all your BTC can move you to bigger loss, because if you're selling all, you're going all in, and this means that you can lose a lot if you are wrong, because sometimes you are wrong, sometimes we are wrong. So this is normal for trading to be wrong. This is normal. You should be okay with this. But when you know that you can be wrong, you need to maintain the you know, safe position size. If you maintain safe position size, you will be successful on the market in the long term. um, for the short-term traders, it is different, because a lot of people who trading like for a lot of years already. Most of these people trading in a swing way, in a swing trading strategy. They buying for holding in a good areas. They just hold, and they know what is going on. They know when the trend is changing, so they're not trying to scalp the trades. So this is what I'm talking about. If you're a short-term trader, then you better to know your risks and manage your position size too. But if you are a swing trader, you should not be so worried, because if the price going below 3700, it is only opportunity to take more here, because we have opportunity. If we go below 3700, we probably go to 3500 area, which is actually a good area to take more advantage of it and buy something here as well. This is really nice and great area to take some trades. This is what I feel about this area, because this is the support of the previous lows, and this area should hold at least one touch and one rebound. So I think for BTC, it is somehow stable for upcoming weeks, but yes, it's more like small bearish in small bearish sideways. This is what I can expect, and how I can explain it. Okay, and yeah, we should take a look at a monthly chart. Let's go check monthly chart. Monthly chart here, and I think I will close the moving averages. Right. So yeah. Well, there is nothing at all, because this is looking like inverted hammers, but because of this small wick here, I don't think this is an inverted hammer. But anyway, it is nice to see that we have something like bullish engulfing. Yeah, this is bullish engulfing. So what is bullish engulfing? When the one candlestick, the green candlestick is bigger than previous red one. So you can see this candlestick, it is bigger than previous one in the terms of open price. I mean, in the terms of lowest price and the highest price. In terms of closing open prices, here we are on the same level, but here we are on different levels. So yeah, this is how bullish engulfing looks like. So yeah, this is really good signal for from the monthly chart. Only the interesting that how many people check in monthly chart. So this is really important for next week. And for next day, for tomorrow, and from for the starting of March, we should hold above 3729. Wow, this is really interesting, because just now we checked the hourly chart, and we can see that we are waiting for this area 3729, which is support area formed on this highs from the 8th February. And yeah, this is really interesting situation right now. So we really need to put stop loss below 3,700 for upcoming days. So yeah, this is main strategy for BTC. So tomorrow is really a really important day, and I don't know how fetch ICO will affect on BTC. I mean, fetch listing, fetch trading will affect on BTC, but we will try to discover it today. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me check. Let me check again monthly chart because it's really interesting. Okay. The only thing that we can get here also, it is really big. This is really big probability here. It's to get somehow a bull trap. This what Mike Bitcoin Wizard talked a few live streams ago. So I am agree with this because this is about probability. We should trade. We should put our trading system on probabilities, because if we don't know, I mean, if we already know what is possible to happen, we can safely trade and put our money in a safe way. So yeah, this is basic. Okay, let me check your questions. Okay, hi to everybody who connected us. While I'm reading the comments, press some thumbs up if you like this video. If you're waiting for fetch for fetch analysis, when to buy, is it good to buy tomorrow, put thumbs up below the video. Okay. Okay, as I see the comments right now, monthly chart. Bitcoin Guru asking, look at BTC 1 month before February. There is 6 red candles in monthly chart. Let me check it. Yeah, it is. You probably, yeah, it is 6 red candles. But yeah, okay, 6 red candles. It just you know what? After 6 candles in a row, same candles. I mean, same color candlesticks in a row, it only increasing the chances to show up to next candlestick show up in a different color. It only increasing the chances for upcoming candlestick. It not increasing chances to reverse the trend or something else. So it is because of these 6 candles. That's why we having right now a green candlestick, because this mathematical statistics and mathematical probabilities. So it is all about the mathematics. So doesn't mean nothing about the trend reversal. Okay, next question. Alex Grant asking if any altcoins have bullish divergence and have strong trend line, they go down with BTC when BTC go 3,500, 3,600. You know what, Alex? They definitely will go down with USD price. Yes, this is 100%. For USD price, yes. For BTC price, it's not the same, because we having sometimes we have a periods on the market when it comes to correlated market and decorrelation, small decorrelation between altcoins and between BTC. And right now, what I'm checking from the market, I see right now small. Just I'm really talking about this small decorrelation about BTC and altcoins, because really a lot of altcoins was pumped from August till today. Really, a lot of altcoins is pumped. I mean, they move it in a step by step, but they go in uptrend in BTC price. I didn't check USD prices, but in BTC price, they was in uptrend. And some of them continuing in uptrend right now. So this allows us to think that altcoin market in current market situation, in current market condition, going with a small decorrelation. It is not so correlated to BTC right now. It is good for market because you know, when the market is not correlated, you can diversify your risks. When the market is totally correlated, you cannot diversify your risks because of if one's going down, everything's going down as well. So right now, I'm answering on your question. If BTC go down, altcoins will go down too. Not every altcoin. I mean about like 50% of altcoins will stay in the same direction. They will move in the same direction. Maybe they will get only small retracement to good buy area. So this is what I'm thinking on BTC and on altcoins these days. Okay. When alt season, Alex asking again, when alt season? Well, I think alt season is already started, and if you check a lot of altcoins in BTC prices, not in USD prices, they already pump it from some areas. If you're gonna see some altcoins that I posted a few days ago on TradingVIew page, you're probably going to see the same because I posted a lot of coins which have bullish divergence. They are already trying to reverse from the trend, and like ELF, I posted the analysis a few weeks ago. It's loading. NXT, Neo, ONG. I'm sorry, not ONG, OMG. Omizero. Yeah, ELF is already hit a target. So yeah, NXT. What about NXT? It having a big bullish divergence. Not so big bullish divergence, but it have the similar setup here. It didn't break out yet, but it needs more time. So for Neo, we haven't breakout from downtrend, which is really interesting. You can see the move is slow and it's normal. The move here will be like accumulating, building uptrend. It looks like we will not pump like this. We will just go uptrend and sideways. And this is good for market. Sorry, guys. What next? Okay. Tilanti asking about the BlackStone view have been for BTC below 2K over next month or two. Do you still hold the probability of this being the case despite the latest monthly green candle? Well, I'm trying to answer on your question, but it is really hard to understand what you are asking. We have a really interesting situation here, and I'm trying to describe on the chart, on the charts, which I made long time ago. The first chart I made on September 26, 2018. It was about Elliott wave triangle, which really rare triangle on the markets. Sometimes we see same triangles on uptrend market. Sometimes we see these triangles on smaller time frames, and we didn't notice how it develops. But on BTC, we have this big Elliott wave triangle, which is really, really big and having 9 waves inside: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And it is all of this triangle, it is 3 and 4 wave. So it's correction wave from third to fourth. And we have in here the breakout going down. So we still have probabilities to go lower, to go to levels near 2000. This is, I mean it for real. We have some probabilities here. How to determine them? I don't know. We have a stop loss. Yes, we have stop loss below previous lows, 3,100. So the only thing that we can get somehow like confirmation to buy lower, it's only breakout from 3,200. Yeah, it's a lot of in the meaning of percentage, but come on, you bought on the 4K right now, or you bought lower. So right now it is not a really good time to make decisions, because we're still in the middle of nowhere. We can break out from 4,400 and go up really hard.
Bro, excuse me, I remembered something about Bitcoin shorts on Bitfinex. Now it is at its
Can you show
lowest
the chart?
point. So maybe we see him big move down.
Can you please
If
open the
short,
chart to be it will
can
be
check Bitcoin short.
Bitcoin shorts. So can you please describe, because I in my trading I never analyze Bitcoin shorts and longs, because this is random numbers for me. It is really random numbers for me, but so I don't use this. If you bro, if you hear, can you please describe what you mean about the shorts?
The point, if you check it at November and at 8 August, 30 November, at this point, Bitcoin made a big move down. When short reached this zone.
Can you agree with
at November and at August?
Bro, can you please agree with this? If the market is not the same, the market which was in November is not the same which is right now.
No idea, but for me, there is more possible to go down.
Because we had we had we have a we had the similar in July. The price was like $8,000, and after we reached this region, yeah, we go down $2,000 down, yeah, from $8,000 to $6,000. Okay, $2,000 is a really big move, but it not so clear. This long and short numbers, they're not so clear. And if you're gonna check daily chart, Well,
Daily chart, it looks some people's is accumulating shorts.
yeah, looks like they starting to accumulate shorts. And in speaking of probabilities, yes, we have some confirmations. Like, I mean, not confirmation. We have a TA for BTC go below 3,000, go below 2,000, or something like this. It's all about probabilities. So, you know, for me here, for me, if you're holding USD right now, like your main capital USD, it is normal to spread your positions below 3K level 2 to buy 3K, to buy lower 3K, and something like this. Yeah, so to buy 3K, to buy 2,500, 2,000, or lower, it is normal. For those who sitting in BTC, it is really hard decision because you're risking too much. You know, if you're gonna sell all your BTC right in this point because of shorts ratio is accumulating, going up, um, you know, it is not so perfect indicator for going all in. You know, so
Okay, bro. Thanks for clearing more.
yeah. So this is what I think.
I wanted just share these points because last period when I follow up this, it affect
Yeah,
price.
I understand this. Look, we have right now something like a downtrend channel, right? This is downtrend channel, and
Yes.
to say that we go below 3,000 level, we need a strong breakout from it, right? We need a breakout. To say that we are probably can retrace from this resistance, yes, possible. And why I'm thinking so? Because of this support area, this chart is trying to go below this support area. You can see here we have a new low on the chart. We have new low since August. We have new low since August, and this is a bearish signal. Well, for normal markets. This is bearish signal for normal markets, and it just can make another low, you know, because of it can go up right now, and after some period it will probably make new low. So we will try to update this chart after maybe some months to see it better. Yeah, so this is pretty same. This is pretty all for this. Okay.
Okay, bro. We can move to altcoins to check
Yeah, sure. We have a lot
altcoins.
of questions about altcoins. Um,
ELF. Let us check ELF again in
Elf,
more
I
detail
checked Elf few minutes ago.
because it in daily it broke resistance of channel and may test it and continue go up.
Okay. Um, okay, from this chart, yeah, we can see that we having the common accumulation phase here. We have already breakout, and the price is trying to revisit this support area of 3,500, 3,700. So I think this is a good opportunity to take another trade on ELF from this area. This is 12-hour chart, and the price is broke a lot of resistance here. Strong resistance 1, strong resistance 2, it's already broken. So oops, sorry. So main TA here is to take some inside 3,800 this area, or maybe 4,000 level. Not big position, small position here. And if price go up, if price will break these highs, 4,500, you can add more to your position because the price is probably going to make another high. So
you can check it with Korean won too. It may give you good idea because big volume is with Korean won, not with BTC. On other exchanges. On this period, Korean active, very active traders make big bumps.
where to check it? Elf, BitHump. Okay. BitHump. Chart only from April. You can see the BTC chart here from January 2017, and Korean chart is just from 2018.
Yes, but can give us some idea.
Sorry guys, just setting the chart here. Okay, it's pretty similar chart. Pretty similar chart, the same numbers, 3,700, 750, 7,800. I'm sorry, 3,800. So it's similar. It is really similar chart. So nothing here is different. So you take the trade inside 3,700. Put some insurance orders below, because if price go down, you can just pick up lower, and 3,300 is good. So you take here trade trying to go up. If not, you go lower, go buy here again, and again trying to sell higher. It will be even good to sell here at 40% profits. So yeah, this is basic strategy for ELF.
Okay, thanks. Can check RE because
Let's check GVT, because we have a
okay.
answer, because we have a question in our chat room right now about GVT. So let's go quick check for GVT. Well, price. Well, look at this chart of GVT. This is daily chart. How I analyze charts, they are good or not. I'm checking the previous lows. They are really low. I'm checking the, again, previous lows. They are like near to this one, and I'm checking highs here, one and this one. So yeah, so this is basic levels for GVT. Right now the price is in the middle of nowhere, right? But it can pump because GVT pump it like MDA pump it before days. So it is triangle here, and breakout from this triangle will give us opportunity to trade. But as I see from closing prices, if you're gonna move to closing prices here, I'm sorry, trade line here, you're gonna see that this trend line is already broken. So it is broken, and I'm sorry, and the price is already breakout from this trend line. It broke again new trend line here, which is higher here. It didn't break this trend line. If we're gonna connect these previous highs, but it's a bumper coin, and so I think that the price just can go. It can go up, but entry is not good. Right now, entry is shit. It can go up to like 0.3 Fibonacci. So it's about like 25% move, like 150,000 area. So not really good entry, because I don't like the entry here. So I'm not advise you to buy this. Okay, so if you already bought, okay, hold to this target. If you didn't bought here, better check other coins, because some of coins have better entries. Yeah, so this is basic. Okay, let's go next. Phoenix, what you asked it about?
AI.
Okay, we had this chart on similar live stream, maybe in middle of January, I think, or in end of January. So right now the price is already reached the first target. From entry, it was like about 10%. So I think the price is going to pump here, because we having some like something like a small accumulation phase, not really perfect accumulation here, but it is nice to see that the price is trying to go up here. Let me check for our chart. Well, here is small bearish divergence on RSI. Well, but didn't make a new low. So interesting. We have look at this. We have a higher high, lower low. I'm sorry. We have higher high, higher low, and right now is interesting. Will price make a higher high? It will be a really good signal. If so, let me check other time frames. Just a quick. Well, it is similar to this move, really similar to this one, because of the curve here. This curve is making me think that the price can make a higher high here on maybe 14,000 for 16,000 satoshis, something like this. This level should be tested maybe. 16,000 satoshi level probably is good. So Phoenix, if you hold IE, yeah, the target is about 14,000 and 16,000 as well. So take a trade. Okay, let's go next. What do we have next? Let me check in the comments.
Check comments. For me, no, I don't have anything.
Okay. So what we check it today? We check it GBT, we check it IE, we check it ELF, fetch. I see you after some time. So stay tuned to our live stream and put thumbs up if you like the video. Okay, guys, we need some good coin. Eternity, we check it right now. Theta, let's go check fast Theta because it pumped it and people don't know where to sell, right? Whoa, shit. What to tell you guys? I don't see interest in this actually. It is really overpriced. You cannot buy it because the price is really high. It is stupid to buy this because we have a bearish divergence here on hourly chart already. See, so this bearish divergence here, price probably gonna make another high here, maybe till 4,000 level or something like this. Small probability, but it is possible, but it's really small probability. And after some period, it will go in a sideways downward move. So stay away from this shit, okay? Yeah. Yeah, okay. XRP. No, let's go APPC, and after APPC, we're going to check XRP. APPC coin.
Bro, for me, excuse me, I won't go. Thank you, and thanks for all the flowers. Excuse me.
Okay, bro. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you. Good luck for all.
Back.
For me, I still for altcoin. I waiting Bitcoin move before, but for now, hard to find good trade today to buy new.
Right. Thank you, man. Take care. Okay, let's go check APPC coin. Well, it's pretty easy to analyze APPC, and it's really great to see such coins like APPC right now. Well, it is clear, really clear trading range. You can see the price just moving in this range. Wow, 100%. Nice. So when the price is gonna break from the this range like this, it will bullish. If it will go break to the downside, it will be bearish. Okay, so really easy, and you can also take some trades in the middle of this channel. I'm not describing something new. I'm just describing what is talking in the what is described in some books, which we sharing in our BlackStone chat. If you still not subscribed to our chat room, it is free. You can subscribe right now. I posted link below the video in description. So check it, please. If you're still not in the BlackStone chat, you better to be here. And in a pinned message, you have links for downloading trading books to have a better knowledge and better skills on the trading. So you can see here a small uptrend. You can pick up some price near this local uptrend, and yeah, probably price will go to the upside again, maybe in a few days, few weeks after this. And if BTC will stable for next period, or it will like sideways or uptrend sideways, yeah, altcoins will go up as well. So from this chart, I see only positive here. And they're really easy to trade this coin, because if you have a clear stop loss, 1000 level is a clear stop loss, you know, 1000 or even 980 is clear stop loss level. Also clear buy more level 2200. I mean breakout, I mean few candlesticks under this level. Yeah, this is really good setup. Okay, after this I will check XRP fast. XRP was added to Coinbase Pro, pump and dump. So Polanik's price is better to see. Polanik's price is really good. Yeah, small pump and dump. So as I told you guys before, as I told you a lot of times on live stream shows, XRP is a downtrend coin right now, downtrend coin. And the only price when you can safely get XRP is this price, 6,000 Satoshi. Next levels, 4,500 area, safe area to buy, and everything below 4,200, 4,000 level, 3,500, yeah, 3,500, 2,500, 1,200, 1,500. So all of these levels is pretty safe, and the price is probably going to visit at least 6,000 level in this year. This is what I'm really expecting for XRP price, and it will pump from this level for sure. It will pump from 6,000 level, like 25-30% move. I don't know, will it break out or not and move higher, but at least it will be like 30% move. USD price for XRP USD. It is really stupid to analyze XRP USD, but I will do it. Yeah, XRP USD. I had some analysis here. Okay. XRP USD, you can see the price is just pumping really hard, making the sideways, making a strong support levels and going up again. So yeah, it's pretty same for now. I expecting here this level of 25 cent, 25 cent area will hold, and probably will hold. You know, the stop loss is like about 23 cents. If you go below 23, you can buy lower in 20, 16, something like this. And the price here is probably going to be, well, nice, looking sideways action, you know. Probably going to be sideways action, and after some period to probably, most probably, we go to the $1. So $1 is major targets for XRP, $1. If JP Morgan coin will not destroy XRP. So yeah, this is basics for XRP. Price can easily make here another low, because of here we are having a bear flag. This is bear flag. So bear flag is when the price is going down, and after some period it entering in a uptrend sideways, something like this. So this is bear flag. See, and the common targets for bear flags is flagpole, heights of flagpole. So yeah, this is the basic targets for XRP. It's like a 25 cent 25 cent area in USD price. So yeah, this is how to make XRP USD price TA. Okay, let's go next, QKC. I remember in August I have some trades inside 4,000 region. Well, what we have here? We have here a downtrend like this, like this. This is looking like a bullish wedge. I think the price. Well, nice. Let me check 12-hour chart. You know what? The price having a small bullish divergence here on 12-hour frame, which is not so big deal for the price action and for next move. Small bullish divergence here. And only small. So I don't know, will it break out to the upside from this region or not? I'm more like it will go down again to 700 area, and after the 700 area it will probably break out and move to the upside. So yeah, this is my idea about QKC, and but yeah, this area is a good support. This area of 800 is a good support for short term. It can make a breakout, but what I saw on 0x chart, I saw that the price had a lot of bullish divergences and had a lot of support areas, but still goes down. And from QKC, you can see the price is probably heading to this area, to this 622. Yeah, so this area 622, 670 is way greater to see to take some trades inside and put some orders here and go up. It is really better. But you just can be ready here and put some small bid like a 3% from your position size, not from deposit, and to like check the trade. If it will go good, go up, you can take more. So yeah, QKC is basic. For targets, let me check Fibonacci here. Well, my arrows is pointing at exactly the same targets which I expect. So basic few levels, 900, 1000, 1100. So yeah, these levels is basic targets for QKC on the next period. Okay, let's go next, guys. What we have also, Navcoin, I didn't check it a lot of time. Navcoin on Poloniex have a lot of history. Well, it is nothing clear here because of this. You can see this 3-day chart is not telling us a lot. But what we have here, we have this triangle, which can be bullish, can be bearish. Most commonly, it will be bearish. But oh, come on, we have a support area here. See, this support area can hold, and if it will hold, then the price will pump. I don't know where exactly, maybe here, maybe higher. Some of my followers told me yesterday that Navcoin is having something, some bullish patterns, but I don't see it right now. So this triangle is it can be bearish as well. So you need to be focused on this. And current price action don't allow me. I'm sorry. Current price action here don't allow me to enter the trade right now because it against my rules. And if you wait for breakout or for lower support level, maybe you will get better entry. Okay. Yeah, let's go check Ethereum BTC. Yeah, a few days ago I showed the chart and I said better to take entry in the box. Yeah, we have entered in this box, and the price is having big, really big breakout candlestick. So from current price action, we can expect this level of 0.33, which is good, and probably something lower. I don't know what will be if price going to break out from this blue line. Let me make it bigger. If it's good to see this blue line. If price will break from this line, it will be worse because most of coins, which is ERC tokens, they will probably going to follow the Ethereum chart too. And from this perspective, we have a few strategies here. First one, we have a pullback and go up. The second one, we have breakout, go to the first buy area, maybe again go up, maybe the second one, I don't know. But all of these three, you can see on the chart, 3 buy levels. All of these levels is super great, super entry. Take a trade if you see Ethereum on these prices, no matter what. Okay. BTC dumping. Yeah. Where is BTC? Yeah, BTC dumping. Nice. You can see breakout, and we already broke 3,000. I'm sorry, we not broke 3,700. So don't panic because we didn't broke 3,700 yet. We need to close daily below 3,700 to make a stop loss. So be sure that you are following, because if you guys will panic sell here and the price will go up, you will be in trouble, right? So just be sure that daily closing price will be above 3,700 or below to make stop losses. We still have like a 3 hours and 20 minutes 4-day close. You can see it here on the bottom right corner. We have UTC time here, only 37 o'clock. So day is not closed, we still have tomorrow. We still have tomorrow 2 months close. And what we talked today about bullish engulfing, it's still not confirmed yet. But you can see the price is just jumping really fast. It just made $100 jump in a few seconds. So be really careful with this, okay? Can you tell us about Bittorrent? Yes, of course, Bittorrent. Let me check Bittorrent. I had a chart here on my TradingView page. I will open it bigger. Yeah, okay. For Bittorrent, guys, if you're looking at Bittorrent USD price, close the chart and go to Bittorrent Bitcoin chart because it's better. And why? Here is why it's better, because we have a clear, really clear targets. We have here really clear patterns, at least right now. And what I see from the chart, we haven't struggling here on the downtrend line. We can't break out from downtrend, and we already tried to break from I'm sorry, we already broke 23 level, which is bearish signal. And for buy orders, you can place some orders 21.20, which is good entries, and some orders below the 20, it's 18, 17, and 14, 15, 14, 13. So it's these really good levels to take a trade for BitTorrent. Okay. I'm sorry. So this is basic TA for BitTorrent right now, and I will stick to it. And I will go to take a trade here, take a trade here. Sorry, and take a trade here. So yeah, this is basics for BitTorrent. This is all TA. You can do it by your own. And we have a bearish inverted cup and handle here. And bearish cup and handle here is telling us that we are probably going to go into 20, at least 20 satoshis. Okay, BTC 10-minute chart, normal chart. We got breakout. We have a new low here, and it is okay because we will make a sideways inside 3600, 3700 for upcoming days. Maybe for 2 days, tomorrow and maybe 1st March. So yeah, this is basic. The candlestick is not closed yet, so we're still waiting for this. It will happen after 20 minutes. So nothing interesting here. Okay. Before we start talking about fetch. Let me check what we have here. 0x, interesting chart. Recently added to Binance USD trading pair, which is good for 0x. Yeah, 0x chart is looking really interesting and good. The 0x chart having nice bullish divergence. Not really big one, but still good. Yeah, so this is bullish divergence here. And we have us support levels here. First one, 5,400, and something around 5,800, 6,000 level, which is good support too. And the price is trying to break out. It's really nice to see. And here we are having a downtrend, still not broken. So be ready in any time for price break this line. Yes, you can see this falling wedge pattern. It is bullish pattern, and we can check some targets here. I think that we can have some targets at 9,000 level or 8,600, something like this. 10,000 level, 11,000 level. Really nice, really interesting levels to take a trade. And after a while you can have like a 40, 55, 74% profit. So yeah, take a trade. From support areas you can take really good amounts of 0x, so it is pretty safe, I think. All right. So 0x is basic TA here. Okay, let's go find out what is Fetch ICO and what is going on with Fetch, because it's really interesting stuff going on with around this ICO. And where is it? Here we are. So Fetch IO, it's a project, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Well, artificial intelligence again. Decentralized ledger, DLT, right? Economic internet and everything like this. Okay. So they having a lot of keywords. So I don't really trust it a lot. Again, ERC20 token. Private sale token price is around 5 cents. It's around 5 cents. It is around 11. Okay. Starting price for public sale token price will start from 9 cents. 9 cents, which is actually 20. How many is this? 3 and 3. It's like it will cost like a stellar lumen in the start of the trading. Stellar lumen right now is how much is this stellar lumen? So Lumen is around 2000 Satoshi level. So fetch will be around the same number, 2200 Satoshis. Starting price tomorrow at 10 a.m. UTC time. So what we can expect, I don't know from the price. I don't know what we can expect. I don't think the price will pump like a double X, maybe, or I'm not really sure. Because of, you can see private seed sale token price was like a 5 cent, and they will sell it on the public like a 9 cents. So it's double X for those who bought it on a private sale. So they will, I'm sure they will try to fix their profits. This is really ridiculous to not to fix prices. So they will fix profits in this day, tomorrow. So don't take any risk decisions. Just take a look at the price. I mean, about few hours, check about 3 or maybe 5 hours or so what is going on with the price, and after it decide what to do with it. If you're gonna see some bullish patterns, yeah, okay, you can trade fat. If you will not see any bullish prices, you will just avoid it. Okay. So from this price, so from this side, I think that right now we can't decide for sure is it worth to trade tomorrow. But tomorrow, after few hours after listing, we can say for sure is it worth to take a trade. And I will try to update you really fast as how I can. And I will make updates in our chat, and I will make updates in our Telegram channel. So stay tuned to our channels, okay? And be sure you subscribe it to them. And I try to understand how it's going on with the prices after ICOs, and I found the basic attention token, which have a similar, pretty similar circulating supply and total supply. And total supply is about 1,500,000,000 bahts. And from fat, what we have here, yeah, pretty same number, 1,152,000,000 fats. So pretty similar supply number. And BAT token listed in June, and price was like 11,000 satoshis. After some period, to drop it really hard, drop to 3,800. So it's really bad for the price for holders. If you're not selling here, you like it's like a 90% going down, or so 70% down. So you better to you better be sure that you're gonna sell FAT after the first hours of public trading. And as I see, price is easily to drop like 50% or even 70% after the listing. And this is really easy. So tomorrow we're gonna check it, how it will go. And I think if you guys have some questions about it, if you have some questions about VET, or maybe some other stuff that we didn't talk it today, then you better ask right now. I see a question about VET. I will check fast VET. VET, BTC price. OTA here. Yeah, pretty same numbers. I will just make it update from this period, and it's accumulating. It is accumulation zone, and I think the price will, if the price will break 125, it will go up really good, and you're gonna see some levels like 140, 165, 180, something like this. So this is basic for breakout to the upside. If price will, if price cannot break it, then we go below 100. So be really careful with this, because here we have a lot, really big volatility, like a 20% move, like from 100 to 120, and any wrong entry point will make a big big loss for your position if you're gonna take entries without good confirmation. And we have a small daily chart right now. We have a small bearish divergence here. I don't really like it. So it is worth to take a look and keep eye on it, because right now we don't have a big confirmation. So just be really careful with this, and this bearish divergence is not really good. So thank you guys for watching us today. Last words for BTC: it will probably go in sideways inside this channel in 3600, 3700, but after tomorrow VET public listing, it will probably go down if traders who investors in VET will sell their VET in USD. It will make some, maybe it will make some move for BTC. Sorry, maybe it will make some move for BTC as well. So stay tuned to our channels. I will make updates tomorrow. And thank you for watching us today. Put thumbs up below the video if you like it. If you don't like the video, sorry, just let me know in the comments what you didn't like it about it, and I will try to figure out what to do. And put thumbs up too, okay? So share with your friends, put some comments below, and stay profit, and goodbye.